I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the lens geometry and stability. First, remove the lens and visually inspect for bends or micro cracks. Document center thickness and wrap angle so you know what to restore. Next, secure the lens with micro suction cups and use a 0.5 mm shim to set a temporary reference plane. That gives you a repeatable baseline. Once set, gently warm the edge to relieve stresses. Make sure to use a controlled heat source so you won't warp the freeform further. Now you focus on reshaping and refining the freeform. Once the lens is stress-relieved by low heat annealing, apply controlled mechanical pressure along the high spots while monitoring sag with an interferometer so you can watch the surface change in real time. After reducing deformations, switch to fine polishing compounds to smooth surface irregularities. This improves optical performance and adhesion. If small edge gaps remain, use thin UV adhesive. Cure in short cycles, measure again, and repeat until the intended surface profile is within tolerance. Finish by validating optical performance. Perform interferometry and power mapping to confirm the axis and diopter accuracy. Aim for 0.01D precision. Once the map passes, relap the seating surfaces, reassemble into the frame, and test in frame for fit and centration so the prescription aligns with the eye. If you encounter residual astigmatism or ghosting, repolish the affected zones and run a short re-anneal. This usually corrects residual stress. If problems persist, consider remanufacturing the blank rather than risking compromised optics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.